On the Makerworld site, click Maker Lab, and then scroll down and click Flexi Toy Maker. To start a new project, we'll click New Project, and now we're going to select the PNG file that you downloaded from Tinkercad and click Upload. Here you can use the slider to adjust the image so that it fills the white area, and we're going to click Remove Background to remove the white background, and then click Confirm, and confirm again. Now here you'll notice that the program is using 5 colors. It may not look like it, but if you look carefully at the outline, you'll see that there's various different shades of blue making the thin outline, so that's where the program gets those 5 colors. And we want to change this number of colors to 1. Doesn't matter what color that one color ends up being because we'll customize that when we slice the file in our slicer. So after we change the number of colors to 1, we'll click Next and confirm. Notice that the program made the design thicker. You can see that where the front foot and the back foot of the cat are sort of attached to one another. And we don't want that, so we're going to change the stroke width from 1 to 0. And now we see our original design the way we wanted it. While we're here, we're also going to change the thickness from 8 to 5 to make our print a little thinner so that it will print quicker. Now finally, we're going to add the hinges. And to do that, we'll click Hinge. Notice that there are different sized hinges. We're working with relatively small designs, so we're going to choose the thin hinge. We want to indicate where we want the hinge to be cut. For example, where this yellow line is. I want a hinge right where the cat's neck joins the head. To do this, you start by clicking outside of the model where you want the cut to start, and then click outside the model again where you want the cut to end. Now you'll see that a hinge will be created, as indicated in this yellow box. You can flip the hinge by clicking the flip joint icon, which I want to do here because I don't want the hinge in the cat's head. I want it in the neck. So if I click flip joint, it moves the hinge to the other side of the cut. For larger areas, you can increase the number of joints. Here we see that there's one joint in the cat's body, but that's probably not enough for that large area. So I'll click Add Joint, and a second joint will be added. Keep going and add as many hinges as you wish, but note that you can also move a joint. In this case, where the tail is, the hinge is too close to the top of the cat. I want to move it down. And this is easy to do. You just click right on the hinge and you can drag it to where you want it. When you're done adding your hinges, the first thing we'll do is change the name of the design to something more personal and descriptive, and then we'll click Download. Here you want to make sure that you're choosing the correct printer model and nozzle size. In our case, we're using the A1 Mini and the 0.4 millimeter nozzle, and I'll click Confirm. Click to download the 3MF file, click the X to close the dialog box, and click the back arrow to close the project. If you look in your Downloads folder, you'll see your project there.